Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another DIY hair care video for you. How to make rose water for your hair. Rose water right here, and it is freshly made. So what I like to usually do with this is I like to spritz it in my hair when it's wet. Obviously not when it's styled, but when it's wet. And rose water is supposed to have a ton of benefits for your hair. Main benefit is that it helps it grow. You don't have to just use this rose water for your hair. You can use it for a toner on your face. You can use it for a setting spray. Rose water from the Heritage store. This is an organic rose water that you can find at like Sprouts or Whole Foods, and I love setting my makeup with this. I love using it as a toner, and it's just so refreshing. I also keep this in the fridge. You can spray it in your hair, but it has other things than just rose water. It has flower oil in it, and it just to me feels like the water itself is still on the natural side compared to other products at the store, but it's not so homemade, if you know what I'm saying. But if I can make something at home and it's just as effective or even more effective, I'll do it. Okay, so with that being said, if you do want to learn how to make this rose water so you can use it for beauty purposes, please stay tuned. Your roses, so once they are kind of like this, even though they do look like they're on their way out, you can still make the rose water with them. So we're gonna need about 4 to 5 of these roses. So you're gonna do the pot. So you're gonna get a big pot like this and then a ceramic bowl. Make sure it's ceramic, not glass. And then you're gonna put the rose petals all the way around the bowl. About 4 to 5 cups of water and add it around the bowl. So as you can see, I'm pouring it on the rose petals around the bowl. Okay, so I have my water in. The water is around here with the rose petals. So what is gonna happen is we're going to put the lid on, and it is going to steam. The water from the rose petals is going to steam, and it's going to collect the condensation is going to collect into the bowl. Ice on the top, so that way the condensation will go quicker. Okay, so I have my ice cubes on the top and my rose water inside, so we'll come back to check on it. It's been about 5 minutes and the ice has completely melted, and you can start to smell your roses almost. But it should be really steamy like this. So we're gonna let it boil for maybe about a minute or two more, and then we're gonna show you what the rose water I'm going to be using a spray bottle since this is for my hair, but you can put it in a regular travel size bottle to store it if you're gonna use it for your skin. But since it's for my hair, I'm gonna use this spray bottle, so I'm gonna transfer this water into this bottle. Careful taking out the bowl of the rose water, and then just to give you a closer look, this is what the petals should look like, and then the water itself. For the water itself, there's not much you can really do with it. Since it is pink, it can dye, so I would just toss it after you're done with this process. So this is optional, you don't have to do this, but I like to add some essential drops. You can add whatever essential drops that you like, but I'm gonna add rosemary because I love using that in my hair. The bottle isn't filled completely up, which is fine. It just depends on how much rose water you want to make. I personally like to just make it in batches when I have fresh roses, so if I just get this much out of it, it's fine because it's super fresh and it's ready for my hair. Said we are all done with our rose water hair mist. We're just going to store it in the fridge for a few hours to keep it cold before we use it tonight. So I just wanted to go over the benefits that the rose water has for your hair. First of all, it works as a natural hair care product, which improves hair condition and helps maintain new hair growth. So it's really good for growing out your hair. It also makes hair more manageable, smoother, shinier, and healthier. And it reduces dandruff because it has anti-inflammatory properties. It also has stimulating properties within the rose water, which help the scalp circulation, and that also promotes more hair growth. So rose water itself is just loaded with stuff that will help your hair condition and will also promote new growth in your hair if you use it consistently. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, comment, like, and share. And if you have any questions, please leave them down below. Let me know if you try this out and what your results are. And until next time, I will see you later. Bye.